Hello friends, so let's understand how we can configure OutSystems environment and how we can install the Service Studio so that we can start our OutSystems development journey. Before seeing that, let's talk about what is OutSystems. In a one-liner, if I explain, OutSystems is a company who has created a low-code platform for us. What is low-code platform? Low-code platform is a platform which provides a low code way of software development. Now, what do we mean by low code way? Let's understand the traditional way first. Traditional way is a way of software development which we generally use, like Java, .NET, Python, right? These are the traditional technologies where we write hundreds of thousands of lines of code to achieve a business use case. That is a traditional way. But in low code way, we just drag and drop the component on the UI, and behind the scene, platform creates the logic for us, platform creates the design for us. That is a low code way. Now, does it mean that low code way is very easy? Low code way is very fast. It doesn't mean that it is very easy. It's easy indeed. It's fast as well, but it requires the same amount of logical brilliance what we require to develop softwares using traditional way. So we will talk about low code and OutSystems in deep in the next lecture, but let's first understand how we can set up the environment. Because if we have to work on any technology, like if we work with Java, right? So first we set up the environment. We download the JRE, JDK, we install that. Then we download the software, which is Eclipse or NetBeans. We configure that, we set up the path. And then this is how we prepare our machine as a development environment. So to do that in OutSystems, we will have to first sign up to the OutSystems platform. So just go to the OutSystems website, click on login and sign up to the platform. It's very easy. It's very straightforward. You already know how to sign up. So click on the sign up, fill out the form. So let me fill out the form. Okay. So I have filled all my details. I am using this for personal use. This is my email. Please don't spam. And I'm not a robot. I agree and I would not like to receive. Agree and start. So it will create our account behind the scene. So let's wait. Let me save. Now it will send verification email. So you can go to your email and just refresh, just wait. It may appear in inbox. It may appear in spam folder as well. Depends on your email provider. It came in the inbox. So you can just open that email and activate account. If in your case, if it is coming to the promotion folder, promotional email folder or notification, you can mark that not spam. You can move that in inbox. Okay, keep me sign in, login. So when you log in to the OutSystems after creating your account, it first redirect you to this personal edition page. Now here you need to listen to me carefully. OutSystems has two products. One is OS 11 and second is ODC. ODC is a recent product. Recently OutSystems has launched that. OutSystems has made ODC as a primary product now. That's why upon creating a user account, OutSystems directly land us on the ODC personal edition page. This is the ODC personal edition page. If I click on start building, it will start preparing my ODC environment. So if I start building, it will start creating the ODC environment as I said. But if we are learning OS 11, then we will have to open the OS 11 specific page, right? OS 11 specific personal environment page. So it has created my personal environment, ODC specific personal environment. Now I can log in and it will redirect me to the ODC portal. But we are not working on ODC at this moment. We are learning OS 11. So in order to create OS 11 personal environment, you will have to type the URL here. And that is the outsystems.com followed by portal and trial portal. you don't find this URL anywhere on the web. So just keep a note, outsystems.com portal followed by trial portal. When you hit that URL directly, now this is the OutSystems 11 specific trial portal page. So as we will practice and understand OutSystems 11 in this tutorial, that's why it is important to prepare your OS 11 environment. So to create or to instruct OutSystems to create your environment, you can just click on create environment. It will ask few questions. You can just answer, give your password and confirm. Now it will start setting up your environment. Meanwhile, you can install, you can just scroll down and install Service Studio. Just download this and install. You know how you can install a software. So this is creating my personal environment. Let's wait for a few minutes. Just make sure, right? We are learning OS 11. You need to type this portal trial portal in the URL bar in order to come to your OS 11 specific trial page. Okay, it's ready. You can just copy the link, and after installing the Service Studio, you can just open the Service Studio. So I have already installed that, and I logged in from my another account. That's why you can see the window. But when you will open the Service Studio first, you would see this particular window at the start, because it will ask your environment credential or your environment URL in order to log you in. So you can just paste your environment, what you copied from that page. You can click on next. Then you can provide the email ID, password, what you use to sign up. You can say remember me. If it authenticates you successfully, then it will allow you to connect to your personal environment. So you see, now it has been connected with my personal environment, and now everything is ready. In OutSystems, nothing stays on your local machine. When you work with Java, you save your application, your work on your computer. But in OutSystems, everything stays on the cloud. That's the biggest USP of OutSystems. It adds built-in security, right? Because nothing is on developer's local machine. So that's it. Our OutSystems OS 11 environment is ready. What we did, we signed up, we went to the portal trial portal page, we created our environment, we downloaded and installed the Service Studio, and we just logged in. That's it. Just make sure, in order to go to the OS 11 specific page, you will have to type that particular URL what I showed previously. This is the URL. Okay, that's it. I hope you understand and try to complete this sign up process. One more thing I want to highlight here. When you sign up and create the environment, behind the scene, OutSystems add the user, add you as a super admin associated to this environment. So in the user entity, in the user table, OutSystems adds one record, and that record belongs to your email ID and your user credentials. So we'll talk about that when we'll understand the actual development, but you can try to follow these steps in order to set up your OutSystems environment. That's it for this video. We will meet in the next video. Bye-bye.